have a very exciting day today, and I'm really excited to take you guys along with me. I made an afternoon matcha because I have a feeling it's going to be a decently late night, and late for me is anything post 9:30 because I go to bed at like 9. So thanks to Mousedining, who I'm working with for this video, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit more about let me put down my matcha. This pineapple cup is fabulous, but it's heavy once it's got some matcha in it. So the reason that we're able to go on this really super fun, exciting date that we've been talking about for probably years now is thanks to Mousedining. So Mousedining is a website, a service that helps you book your Disney dining reservations, which if you've ever tried to book dining reservations at Disney, you know that the app and website aren't always the most intuitive thing for you. So Mousedining honestly just kind of does all the work for you, which is amazing. It keeps an eye out on all those reservations that you want. And in my experience using it so far, I've used it for 2 or 3 things, and I was able to get all the reservations I wanted, which is incredible. I've talked to people about this for a very long time. The way that the dining reservations are organized is sometimes things can kind of be hiding in there. So what Mousedining does for you is they have the ability to kind of look at everything. So you can set up alerts, you can pick a certain time, a certain date, the size of your party, what restaurant you want to go to. So then you can set yourself an alert so that way you don't have to spend hours and hours and hours constantly checking back the website to see if the reservation that you want is available. A lot of the times they become available, but this way you don't have to keep checking. Mousedining will just set you an alert. So setting up one of their alerts is incredible. Once you get to their website, for this one, I didn't even tell you where we're going. Oh my gosh. So Robby and I are going to Skipper Canteen tonight, which I know it has a much longer name than that. It's Jungle Co. Limited Skipper Canteen, whatever, but Skipper Canteen, we call it Skipper Canteen. We've been literally talking about how we want to go for years, so I'm super excited. I looked up the reservation on their website. There were actually a bunch available, which it was just so nice to see it all streamlined in front of me to be able to pick a time, because I picked the date and then I saw all of the times available. It took me straight to the Disney website, had me sign in, and then I was able to snag that reservation on my own account, which is incredible. And again, if you haven't attempted to get your own reservations on Disney, then you may not know what a amazing help this is. And so I'm really excited to have this experience tonight. I'll let you guys know how the reservation goes, but booking it, the process of booking it was absolutely fantastic. And I actually have a couple more alerts set for some dining availability that tends to be decently hard to get around the parks. So fingers crossed that we get those in the next couple of days. I have some friends coming in town, so I'm trying to secure some reservations. Like I said, thus far I've had great success with Mousedining. I'm literally so grateful because I'm the kind of person who would check back every hour and have checked back every hour, tried every single time slot just to see if something comes up, because sometimes things will come up. Mousedining does all that work for you. So I can go about my day, I can go to work, I can, do anything that I need to do, and Mousedining will let me know when something's available so that I can book it right away, which is literally incredible. I can't believe that I've gone this long without knowing about this service. It's literally incredible. On their website, they have different tiers for you to choose from. There is a free tier, which we love a free. It's so helpful, and I'm actually so grateful that they're able to do this for so many people, because this is going to get so many people those dining reservations that they dream of and to have the Disney experience of their dreams. And it's just so amazing. They do also have a monthly subscription and a yearly subscription, which if you are an annual pass holder, or if you know that you're coming a couple times a year, or if you have a really big trip, say with like a bunch of family members, and you really want to guarantee those reservations, those subscriptions are so worth it. 1000% worth it. It's going to save you so much time. It's going to make your vacation so easy and seamless. So that's something to think about. Now that we have a reservation, we're going to Skipper Canteen, which you know me, I love a themed outfit. I must have a themed outfit, have to have a themed outfit. Robby's coming with me. I'm gonna dress him in a themed outfit. He doesn't care, he'll wear whatever I tell him, which is really fun. The pineapple seemed right. We're going like tropically Adventureland moment, but we're going to a kind of elevated restaurant. So I kind of want a slightly elevated outfit. I have a few ideas in mind, but I have to try them all out. So we're gonna try them out, and we're gonna use my beautiful background for the first time in a YouTube video, which I'm very excited. I have a YouTube video which you'll see soon of how I did this. It was literally so easy, and I think cost me $15. So any renters or anyone really, this is fantastic. I'll link these stars in the video description as well, just in case you're inspired in this video to see them. So let's try out some outfit ideas and we'll go. Okay, I have a last minute kind of crazy idea that if I can make happen within 15 to 20 minutes, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna at least try, but I'm not sure if it's gonna happen. I've been thinking about doing this forever. I'm gonna try and add some Mickey ears to this hat. I have some foam. I don't know if it's gonna be stiff enough. I've tried to like glue them on things before and it didn't work, so I think I'm gonna sew / glue. So again, if this takes me more than 20 minutes, we're gonna scrap it, but it would be really cute if it worked, so we're gonna try it. really good margarita. Themed out our outfits, so I wanted to show you our fits. Robby watches me do enough videos that he's in it. So I'm giving you, I don't know if you're gonna hear this, Jane goes to the Skipper Canteen. Back here. You look cute. Oh, I love it. Robby, it's so exciting.
I'm very excited. I like the puns on the way.
So many puns. Shall we cheers? Cheers, Robby. Wow,
really good.
That's delightful. Yeah. Wow. That's so good. That's summer. Made it home for my Magic Kingdom date. We skipped out on the fireworks because, I don't know, we're old and traffic sucks and people are a lot. But it was so nice. We got to see the fireworks from the monorail and that was really fun. But we loved, I almost said Trader Sam's. It's not Trader Sam's.
Sure wasn't.
Skipper Canteen has a similar vibe to Trader Sam's. So, you don't think so?
I don't know. I feel like Trader Sam's is very tiki and this
You're
wasn't
right.
tiki.
It's kind of islandy. I think that's why I'm...
Yeah.
I did like that our
right.
server said, "Welcome to the jungle."
Did she?
Yeah.
I didn't hear that.
She didn't.
That was very
It's like,
They did.
like,
they did some funny dad jokes and puns.
Robby
which I
loved the puns. There were so many puns. They obviously have a whole bring you in monologue type of thing, full of puns as they're leading you to the table, and it was great. You were definitely tickled.
I absolutely was. Yes.
What was your favorite part of the dinner, or the date?
I mean, I really liked that shandy.
I was gonna say the shandy.
It was really
we got
good.
the what was it called? Veranda shandy. That was a blue moon pineapple juice and chipotle.
Chipotle something.
Which it was not, I didn't think it tasted spicy at all.
No.
But it was delightful. It was really good. It tasted like summer. Oh, so good. Because I've had Blue Moon with like orange in it, but not pineapple, and pineapple is superior.
Yeah, I had never had it with
pineapple. I would say that was my favorite.
The food was great too. It was shockingly good.
I didn't expect to be as impressed by the food as I was. I was very impressed. Like I thought it was like worth the like slightly elevated price. Yeah. But we didn't get anything like crazy.
No, we got the fried rice.
The fried rice, which is an appetizer, but was like plenty.
I actually was also extremely impressed with the fact that we asked for the fried rice without shrimp, and they put chicken on it, a type of chicken that they don't have on the menu, but was still very good. It's some type of grilled chicken that was very, very good.
So good, apparently.
Maybe it is on the menu, and I just didn't see it, but I don't think it is.
I wouldn't be surprised if they just like have grilled chicken like as a secret option for people who can't have like shellfish or anything.
That's
like
true.
That.
But also
that was so
it doesn't taste like chicken, or it tastes like chicken because it is. Was very good. The chicken was very good. Fried chicken was delicious.
Really good. I thought the portion sizes were good.
Yeah.
Like we didn't get any dessert, but no, that's okay. We don't. I rarely ever get. That's
okay. They said they had a special, which was cheese bread, like special cheese bread.
It said some sort of jalapeno,
which I really wanted to try. But we didn't.
I didn't. Well, I'm allergic to dairy, and it hurts my whole body and,
it's totally
my tummy
okay.
and my soul.
But I would recommend it to anyone, and then also let me know how
Invite
it was.
Robby when you go, so please. He could know what it was like. But yeah, I thought the overall experience was great. Yeah. The atmosphere was even better than I thought. The restaurant itself was bigger than I thought, which I don't know why I thought it was going to be tiny, but I think that's just because I've never seen anything in that space before, and that whole area of Adventureland is just kind of tucked in. So I just assumed it was going to be small, and it was not. It was massive and really, really cool. And I loved all the little details, per usual, as Disney does so well. I wish we could have, like, I don't know, gone around all of the walls and things and seen all the details, but obviously there were people dining. So, you know.
Yeah, it could have been a problem.
Could have been a little awkward. I did take a couple videos over people, and they were looking at me like, it's not a view, don't worry. Just the details. I'm not being annoying. It's fine. But yeah, anything else to say about the night?
It was wonderful. I got to spend a great evening with my wife, and it was fantastic.
And thanks to Mousedining for helping us get the reservation.
Yes.
We'll definitely be using it again. Where should we go?
Absolutely.
I want to go to the space.
We will do that next.
Space 220.
Next. Space 220.
I think that's what it's called. There's
the
lounge.
I don't know what it's called.
I don't know. I just want to go to space. I know you get to go on a cool elevator and have a space drink.
Oh, it's the one where it like
it takes you like you go up on the elevator in
cool.
space.
Yeah. That sounds great.
You really go into space. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, everyone. They'll go on another date soon.
Will we?
Yeah.
She just asked me on a date. This is very exciting.
Well, we've been together for
Don't ask.
7
Don't
years.
know. Neither of us know. Neither of us know.
Okay, well, I love you.
I love you.
And I love you. Bye.